question for you. Is there any way you'd be able to teach me like a chord or two?
Hey everyone, Alec here, Dherbs. Today I'm asking a musician on the street to teach me to play a little bit of guitar. If they say yes, I'm gonna give them $100. Let's get to it.
Just the one strum would be all right with you, man?
Yeah. Do you know how to play or what?
Kinda, yeah, a little bit.
I always.
Oh yeah, you got it.
Get off watch.
Appreciate you, man.
Fingers aren't hitting the other strings.
Okay.
And then strum all the strings. That's
Hey!
the G chord.
Oh, thanks, man. Cool, I appreciate you. Thanks for taking the time to do that.
Yeah.
So I actually want to let you know I'm doing a show where we're trying to see people do kind gestures for me, and so I'm asking people, you know, if they'll do nice things for us. We got a camera on you over here, and as long as you are all right with it, man, I'll give you $100.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, dude, of course.
Hey, wow, you guys saved the day, because now I can like give supplies and stuff. You know what I mean?
Man.
Or maybe at the right spot, if there was a $45 spot, I would actually probably get a room with this money.
Yeah.
And then actually like shower and like, you know what I mean, relax.
Yeah, man.
I could play a song for you guys.
I'd love that. Yeah, appreciate you. Yeah,
Okay,
go for it.
You want to hear a punk rock poppy love song?
Hell yeah, yeah, go for it.
It was a good time in our lives.
Hell yeah, dude, that's dope.
This might be the break I need too. Yeah, you guys might have just like made me famous. Yeah.
Oh, I hope so, man.
Thank you, Dherbs.
Sweet, thank you. Appreciate you, man. You're dope.